97, meditation on causing suffering to others. If we have behaved very badly with someone, we should feel regret. We should recognize our mistakes, but without thinking that we can therefore no longer lead a normal life. We should not forget what we have done, but neither should we be crushed by depression or remorse. Neither should we be indifferent, which would be equivalent to ignoring what we had done, but instead, we should learn to forgive ourselves. I have made mistakes in the past, but it will not happen again. I am a human being, so I am capable of freeing myself from my mistakes. If we lose hope, that means we have not forgiven ourselves. Words to meditate on. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. You are human. Mwah.